Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here for Purposely Pixel. And so recently we got a good look at the Google Pixel 5a. This is of course Google's latest budget smartphone for 2021. We actually have a ton of videos on the Pixel 5a courtesy of our friend Lenny here on Purposely Pixel, and you should definitely check those out. Now the Pixel 5a does take a lot of hardware design cues from last year's Pixel 4a 5G and even has the same camera specs, but as we've come to expect with Pixel phones, it still gets you impressive photos. So for this one, we're just going to take a look at some shots taken on Lenny's Pixel 5a and talk about these photos. If you want to check out our other Pixel videos, we're going to drop some links in the description below. And with that said, let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with the standard camera mode. As a point-and-shoot camera, the Pixel 5a manages to get great-looking shots, and people who are into casual mobile photography will have a blast with the camera on the Pixel 5a, as it offers an effortless way to get great photographs. In general, pictures come out looking good with enough saturation, there's a great balance of contrast with a good amount of dynamic range. Of course, there's also a lot of detail in photos, which you can see in these shots. Moving on, one thing that the Pixel phones get on point is their specialty in shooting portrait photos, which show off some great bokeh. You'll get great shots in both the front and main cameras with good edge detection. Check out some of these shots. Now, Google does boast about the Pixel phone's ability to get great low-light photos, and this is pretty much the same case for the Pixel 5a. Low-light shots are an easy task for the camera, and you can even get by without using the LED flash in most pictures. Of course, there are times when photos can look grainy. Zooming in on some images does give off pixelation, but compared to low-light photos on most phones, the Pixel 5a manages to hold its own. Video is probably good enough to get you some good-looking clips, but it's still pretty clear that a lot of Pixel phones, including the Pixel 5a, have a bit more way to go when it comes to video recording.
This is Lenny Bonds from Purposely Pixel, and this is the front-facing camera of the Pixel 5a. Just giving it a little test, walking around. You let me know how it is. Seems pretty good from the phone screen, but you guys let me know.
In good lighting, you can get some clear shots, but clips tend to suffer when it comes to indoor performance. There is also the heating issue, which a lot of people online have pointed out, and hopefully that can be addressed with a future software update. Alright, so based on what we've seen, the Pixel 5a continues the legacy set forth by earlier Pixel devices when it comes to camera performance. If you're after a newly launched Android phone that can get you great photographs, then you should definitely check out this one. Unless of course you can wait for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, which will undoubtedly come with massive camera improvements. Now we do have a lot more Pixel content on the channel, so feel free to check those out. And once again, keep it here on Purposely Pixel.